Tekken 8 just dropped a few weeks back and you guys have already highly rated the game and said it is a massive step up from Tekken 7. Now that we know the game is worth buying, the question is which edition should you buy? Stay tuned until the end and you will know what each version comes with and which one suits you the best. The game is a next-gen Unreal Engine 5 exclusive which has been released on the PS5, the Xbox Series X and S and on the PC. With the technical stuff out the way, let's talk editions. There are 4 editions available to buy. There is the Standard Edition, the Deluxe Edition, the Ultimate Edition and of course the Collector's Edition. Seeing as though fighting games nowadays have characters hidden behind purchases, we all do miss the old unlocking character days which felt like proper achievements. The question these days is which is the best version for you to buy. Well, let us break it down for you. The Standard Edition is available for £60 to £70 depending whether you buy the disc or the digital version. It includes the Tekken 8 full game and some avatar costumes and skins. The costumes and skins sound really boring, don't they? You're absolutely right, they are boring. But they are for free, so we won't complain. If you had to pay, then we would advise to steer right away. Next we have the Deluxe Edition which is available for £95 and includes more skins and more avatar choices. But one thing that sets it apart from the Standard Edition is the playable Character Year 1 Pass. 3 of the 4 characters are yet to be confirmed, but Eddie Gordo, our favourite button bashing character, has been confirmed. The rest may be announced just before they release, but we haven't heard anything solid yet. The new costumes you get are a gold suit variation for all players, which is not exciting at all. The Ultimate Edition is available for £105, an increase of £10 from the Deluxe Edition. So what does this extra £10 get you? It includes everything the Deluxe Edition has, but you get extra avatar skins for characters such as Jin, Kazuya and Jun. What a waste of £10. You basically pay for things most of you guys probably don't even care about. We would rather it had an extra player such as Jinpachi. I know it's a big ask, but it's not happening, so there is nothing wrong with hoping. Finally, we have the Collector's Edition, which costs a heart-stopping £230. Not heart-stopping for everyone, just for the majority of us who ponder upon prices during this cost of living crisis. What you get with this purchase is the following. You get the Tekken 8 game, playable Character Year 1 Pass, Gold Suit Character Costume Pack, 32 avatar costumes, 3 avatar skins, Burning Chain metal plate, corporation stickers, a premium box, special Face of Steel book, 8 glossy collectible cards, Leroy Smith metal ring in a velvet pouch, arcade token, and the most exciting thing, an exclusive Jin electrified figurine which is 25 centimeters tall. If you come to think of it, it does make you feel quite special to own all of this. Now that we have discussed the versions available, let's talk about which version is for which type of player. The Standard Edition is basically for those people who just want the game. If you're not a big fan or simply just a newbie to Tekken, then this is the edition you would be going for. You can of course buy the Year 1 Pass afterwards, and it may be cheaper if you wait for it to go on sale. If you are a slightly bigger fan of the game and the Standard Edition doesn't sit right in your mind, then you would go for the Deluxe Edition as it gives you 4 extra characters for an extra £25. That's £6.25 per character. Eddie Gordo, the only confirmed Year 1 Pass DLC, is an iconic classic character who has been there from the earlier days of Tekken. If you're a fan, you already know what I mean. The Ultimate Edition is a complete waste for reasons we have mentioned earlier. We don't feel we need to touch on that again as the first time was painful enough. Finally, onto the Holy Grail, the one for the die-hard Tekken fans. The Collector Edition straight away won't sit well in the minds of many people due to the high price. But if you're a fan and money is not an issue, then there will be nothing stopping you from getting a hold of this. By the time this video airs, true fans would have already got a hold of their own copy. If you're a patient person and are looking to save some money, then our advice would be to wait a short while until prices fall. They always do, and we are certain they will. You are definitely sure to then grab a bargain. This is the Unboxing Beard, and we just explored the different Tekken 8 versions.